Okay. Potassium dichromate is an orange-red crystalline inorganic compound and a strong oxidizing agent. It is soluble in water and commonly used in lab for oxidation reaction, volumetric analysis, and chemical preparation. It is toxic and carcinogenic, so it must be handled with appropriate safety precautions. It's the common chemical reagent which has the wide application. Oxidation state plus 6, extremely toxic and carcinogenic. Lab preparation by treating a saturated solution of potassium dichromate with sulfuric acid. Potassium chromate solution with sulfuric acid. Manufacture of potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate is generally manufactured from chromate ore. Roasting of chromate ore with sodium carbonate to get sodium chromate. Iron chromate ore is the roasted with sodium carbonate. Preferred sodium chromate. Conversion of sodium chromate into sodium dichromate. The sodium chromate is treated with sulfuric acid, produces sodium dichromate, and conversion of sodium dichromate into potassium dichromate by reacting with potassium chloride. Physical properties of potassium dichromate. It is orange-red crystalline substance soluble in water. It is not deliquescent. Chemical properties of potassium dichromate: action with heat, produces potassium chromate. Action with alkalis and acids, reacts with potassium hydroxide, also produces potassium chromate. Reacts with sulfuric acid, produces chromium sulfate. Reacts with hydrochloric acid, petticoat salts. Okay, chromite chloride test. Potassium dichromate reacts with sodium chloride, acidified sodium chloride, red PPT vapors. Oxidizing properties. Produces 3-niacin oxygen when reacted with sulfuric acid, and reacts with potassium iodide into iodine, action with hydrogen peroxides, produces water. Action with potassium carbonate, potassium dichromate, potassium carbonate produces potassium chromate salt. Action with ammonium chloride, produces nitrogen with potassium ferrocyanide.
विशेष गरेर भोटेकोसीमा पहाडी जातको कारण यो 3टा पोखरी मध्येको एउटा पोखरी फुटेको कारणले भएको भन्ने जानकारी आएको छ। यो चीन तिब्बतमा रहेको एउटा पोखरी। अब हेर्नुहोस्, एउटा पोखरी फुट्दाखेरि त्यत्रो विध्वंस मचायो भने अरू पोखरी फुट्दा के होला? अझै एउटा
Okay, uses of potassium dichromate in drying, calico printing, and chrome tanning. It is used as an oxidizing agent in laboratory, also used in volumetric reagent, and estimation of iron, used in photography for hardening gelatin film. A mixture of potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid in cleaning glassware using qualitative and quantitative analysis. Hazards of potassium dichromate: health hazards, highly corrosive to skin and mucous membrane. It primarily affects the respiratory tract, causing shortness of breath, pneumonia, asthma, and also attack liver, kidney, and immune system. Fire hazards: not combustible, but support combustion of other substance, carcinogenic. It is carcinogenic and is associated with increased risk of developing lung cancer. Structure of potassium dichromate.